Killer, you be careful out there. These oak trees always look so innocent, and then before you know it, wham! A Bigfoot jumps on you. This is where they set up their traps for you. Killer knows it. He's heading the lead. You just gotta watch out. Nice calm looking tree, oak tree like this could turn out to be your worst nightmare. You start, whoa, shit! Woo, it's windy. You start getting close to the river, it gets a little more windy. It's gonna be all right. Killer's leading the way. Go get him, Killer, go get him. So you gotta be quiet when you're out